Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial we are going to fix Google Chrome slow downloading and we will increase Chrome speed. And guys, if it makes your Google Chrome better, please hit the like and subscribe for more tutorials. So the very first step, open Google Chrome and at the top right corner where we have these three dots, we'll click on that and we will go to settings. The moment we'll click on settings, we need to go the privacy and security, and there you will find an option called security. So I will click on that, and then we need to go to bottom of it. So here you can see use secure DNS determines how to connect to website over a secure connection. So if it selected with your current service provider, what I would recommend to select this with custom, and from here you can select Google public DNS or you can select Cloudflare. Now you can try both of these things, both of DNS, and see which you better for your according to your geo. I mean according to your location. So for me, Cloudflare and Google Public DNS both works fine. This will definitely increase the performance of your Google Chrome. Once this is done, you need to close these windows, and here what I would recommend to open it again because we need to make the changes as well. And here type Chrome colon forward slash flex, just like that. And once it is done, you need to hit enter, and here you will find at the very top you will find it parallel downloading. What I would recommend, if you don't find it, just type parallel and you will find enable panel downloading to accelerate download of Google Chrome. So it should be its selected default. I recommend to downloading to accelerate download speed of your Google Chrome, so it should be its select default. I would recommend to select it enable. This will definitely increase the downloading speed of Google Chrome. So once this is done, you have enabled it, and close it and reopen Chrome. And here we need to click on these three dots again and then go to the settings, and this time we will go to advanced. Here I am sorry, in system. Now here see continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So under system you will find like this, you will find continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This should be turned off because even if Google Chrome is not open, it will continuously use the resources internet and CPU, the RAM. So this is should be turned off, and use hardware acceleration when available, that should be turned on. So this is the settings you need to do. And one more bonus tips to increase your Google Chrome speed is to click on these three dots and then go to extension. Now here under extension of Google Chrome, we see very clean and everything is clear here. So I don't use much extension. You can see one by one how many extensions are there, and if you don't use extensions you can remove, because any which way if you do not use it and if you keep those extensions, it will take the internet, it will use the resources of your computer. So you can remove it and just reopen Google Chrome and let me know if it has increased the downloading speed of your computer overall performance or not. And if yes, please leave a comment and please hit a like and subscribe, and your comments really motivate me. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Guys, have a wonderful day.